Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bremer Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bremer.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bremer Bank. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to choose your account type. Choose your account type using the drop-down menu and do the same by choosing your online system. After selecting both of your preferred options, click on the login button and now you will be asked to enter your user ID. Go ahead and type in the user ID that you have set up while creating your account and then click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, you will be asked to enter your account password. So go ahead and type in your password for your account and then click on the login button. Once you click on login, you will be signed in to your Bremer Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on the forgotten options and you will be allowed to reset these credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Bremer Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.